I officially need to be retrained. That is the truth. I turned it on and then turned it off and then turned it back on. And hi, everybody. How are you? It is 10:30. It is Wednesday. And Lisa and I are getting ready for our live stream. I scream, you scream, we all scream live stream. Super excited. We have a great Cinco de Madre, kind of combining a little Cinco de Mayo with a little Mother's Day. So very excited about that. How is everybody doing? It's been a while. Ed and I were out for the count with a little COVID. So we are back. We are healthy. We quarantined, and you can probably still hear a little of it in my voice. But woo, that was not fun. Hey, Anna. Hey, Joyce. Hello, everyone. Good to see you guys. Happy to be back. Lisa held down the fort like the rock star that she is. Right, Lisa?
Correct, rock star.
Duh.
Yeah.
She said duh. Phyllis, hey, how are you? Good to see you guys. Thanks for jumping on. So we are doing a little Cinco de Madre, where we have 3 great recipes. We did a mimosa. I mean, come on. We might have just renamed it and still done the champagne and the orange juice. Hey, Stacy. Hi, Vicky. Hey, everybody. And then we're doing a Mamarita. That's our little mocktail. And we're going to do some Paloma cupcakes with a little tequila, which is super fun. Hey, Cindy. Hi, Mary. And then last but not least, how about a chorizo burrito bake? I picked this one because it requires tater tots. Okay. I mean, my love for tater tots is legendary. It goes forever. Hey, Kathy. Hey, everybody. Good. Thanks for jumping on. Valerie's here. Hello. So we are live streaming. You'll be able to find the link here on our Facebook page. It's over at QVC.com. And it's our This Crazy Kitchen series that Lisa and I affectionately named. But this theme, oh, hi from Seattle. Hello, Kimberly. Good to see you. Oh, yay. Stacy got the platter in mint. Love that.
Rosé, buttercream, white, and mint.
Yes, love. And Carmen's saying hi. Patricia's saying hi. Hello, everybody. Thinking about the rose, Stacy. I like the way you roll. Penny's on board. Judy's here. Okay, so Cinco de Madre, where we're going to combine Mother's Day and Cinco de Mayo with a fun little twist. Thank you, Sally. Hello. Hi, Debbie. Debbie's saying hi to both of us, Lisa.
Hi, Deb.
Jane's saying hi. Everybody's here. Everybody's saying hi. Yes. All right. So chorizo burrito bake, tater tots included. Can't wait. And could you modify that? Of course. And could you make it plant-based? Of course. And we'll talk about that. Mamarita, little mocktail, really fun, fresh juices, zest, all that good stuff. Hey, Karen. Hey, Damon. Hello. Hi, Lois. So we really want you to come on over at 11 a.m. And support us over while we do our live stream, cook with us, and have fun making these recipes. And then the Paloma cupcakes, can't wait, because this has like a box mix and your tequila, and we're going to decorate them and have some fun. And then, yes, we're going to eat them. Oh, hello from South Carolina. Hello. How is everybody doing? It is, May the 4th be with you. See what I did there?
I did.
I mean, yeah.
I like that.
Someone said, May the 4th cup of coffee be with you.
It's true. We just got one, didn't we?
We did. My husband loves tater tots, and I love your husband, therefore, Dina, because tater tots are amazing. Okay, Monica's saying fighting the flu. You know what's so funny? I've been hearing that a lot of people have the flu, which is kind of crazy, right? It's probably because most of us haven't been sick for the last 2 years.
I haven't.
Right, except you got COVID.
I did.
Right?
Yes.
So, but other than that, like, we really haven't been sick. And then Ed got COVID first, and then like right to the day, like I think they say like 5 days. This, Lisa was a nurse, right? Still is a nurse. And when I was like, it's about the science. Like it said 5 days, and there's 5 days. She's like, yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So Ed tested, and then I tested, and now we're better and quarantined and all that good stuff. And still working on getting my taste back, which is kind of interesting. Maybe that Mamarita will kick it into place today.
It will.
What do you think?
It's going to help for sure.
Mamarita. All right, everybody.
Is your mom watching?
What?
Is your mom watching?
I doubt it.
Oh, it's Sarah.
Mom, are you watching? Hello, Gail. Hi, are you watching?
She actually just texted me.
What are you guys talking about?
Never mind about you.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys. So head over to our Facebook page here at 11 o'clock. Click on that link. It's the easiest way to figure out how to get to the live stream. Wow, I'm getting choked up. And join us for our Cinco de Madre, where we're going to combine, we're going to do a little Mexican Mother's Day. I think that's so fun. Hey, Missy. Hello. Hi, George. Oh, George from Los Angeles. So jealous.
George.
So jealous. Susan and Carol's on. All right, you guys. So come join us. Give us some love. Let's chat. Lisa will be chatting, asking questions. We want to talk all things mother.
Yes.
All things mother.
Yes.
So whether it's your mom's name,
Yep.
a memory, whether she's here, no longer here.
How about one word to describe your mom?
Ooh, one word to describe your mom. Ooh, that could be dangerous.
I'll use the word for your mom, okay? I'll just
What do you mean? I'm a dog mom. What do you think the dogs would say?
Yeah, and it's not, I love that. It could be if you're a dog mom.
A dog mom. I'm a dog mom. Godmother. Yeah. So, we'll figure out what those words are. All right, you guys. Oh, gosh, I had the flu. I got hit with the COVID. Oh, my gosh. Jesse, please take care of yourself. That is a lot. She got the flu. She had the stomach flu.
That's a lot.
She had COVID. Oh, Megan from New Jersey. How you doing? My mom loved... That's why I have so much Temptations. Oh, she used to send it to me as surprises. Oh, I love that.
Oh, is that right?
That's awesome. All right, you guys. Well, we're getting ready for the live stream. We're using lots of things. We got the KitchenAid stand mixer. You know how that usually goes. We got a hand mixer. You know how that usually goes. Yeah, we're cooking chorizo. Lisa's got, her wetsuit on because you never know.
You never know.
This is nice and straight. You never know what might happen.
Wait, I have to tell you a story.
What? Please.
Did I tell you that Holly had a wedding shower? Sorry, you guys, we're setting up. That Holly had a wedding shower on
That's
Saturday.
her daughter. Mm-hmm.
Holly, my daughter, sorry. And they're sitting there opening gifts. And all of a sudden, she sees this box that says QVC on the outside.
No way.
Mm-hmm. She got Temptations.
I love it.
Uh-huh.
That's amazing. That's a great story. Looking pretty in our purple today. Yes, we both said
We coordinated.
It was a lilac kind of day today. It's dreary and rainy here on the East Coast in Delaware, and it's kind of cold. I'm not gonna lie.
What's the story with the weather? I'm not kidding.
I don't know.
It's not.
Oh,
right.
you know what someone said?
What?
There was a funny meme, and at the time, it's probably outdated, but it said, "It's not really April. It's like whatever the number was, the 165th day of January."
It's so
It's
true.
so true. Made me laugh.
God,
Anyway,
enough.
oh boy. All right, love you guys madly. Oh, Marty's saying you're never late to the party. We are always a party. 20 minutes. We're going to be doing our live stream. We have 3 great recipes plus a mimosa, so technically a bonus. That's just so Lisa and I can actually have a sip of a mimosa. True story. And we are making fun Cinco de Madre in honor of Mother's Day, and we'll talk all things mom. All right? So we'll see you guys in about 20 minutes, and come over and participate with us and watch us cook, because you never know. I mean, you know. Now you know.
If you know,
If
you
you know,
know.
you know.
If you
right?
know, you know.
Because, yeah, I'm a hot mess. All right, you guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye.